Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which Outlook version and account type you use because export behavior differs. Once done, open account settings to find the PSD/OSD data file path and note it. Close Outlook before copying files to avoid corruption. Make sure you have at least twice the data size in free disk space. If using Exchange, plan an export rather than copying OSD. This first step saves time and prevents partial backups or locked files later. Now perform the export or copy. Open Import/Export and choose Export to a file, then select Outlook Data File, PSD. Include Mail, Calendar, and Contacts and check subfolders so nothing is missed. Choose a password only if required. Alternatively, if you located a PSD, copy it to your backup drive. For OSD files, export to PSD or rely on server synchronization. Direct OSD copies aren't reliable for restores. Keep the exported file named with date for easy versioning. Finish by verifying the backup. Open the exported PSD in Outlook and spot check messages, folders, and calendar entries to confirm integrity. Once confirmed, store copies on an external drive, a cloud service, and keep one offsite copy for redundancy. Make sure backups are encrypted or password protected if containing sensitive data. If a restore ever fails, first check file size and permissions, then run Outlook's inbox repair tool, Scamps.exe, to repair corrupt PSDs before retrying the import.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.